Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This time I am in Dacia Sandero Stepway 2022. I already made some videos of this car, so you can check them all. This time it's time about the media display, and in this video I would like to share the different features that this display has, the connectivity and how it works. So stay with me. So guys, the telephone it's connected. Here we have the cable that it's inserted. As you can see, I will press this one. Yeah, the media display it's connected with our cell phone, and here we have the clock, the outside temperature and the date, so 17th of January 2023. You should have also the data connection with the internet to use the navigation system, and to use the navigation system you just have to press this one. So this is, or firstly you should turn it on. Yeah, exactly. And here we have, let's go from the step 1. So step 1, Android Auto, press it, and here we can see this is our navigation from the phone. So this is really nothing special, but just the Google navigation transferred to the display of the car. So in fact it is not an Android Auto, it just transfers the desktop of the phone to the display of the car. Here we can see that we can insert the destination. We can also use the voice commands. Here you can see it here on the display here down in the corner, and let's try it. So to use the voice commands you should press this one. Navigate to Vienna. Yeah, as you see, the system it's already showing the route. The information about the COVID-19. So this really works. I am very happy, and considering the fact that this is not a very expensive car, this is really a good feature in this car. Okay, let's see some other features that are integrated in this media display. So this one is called media display, and also the instruction book says the same. So media display, media nav. In this case we are using just media display, and everything that it's on the phone it's in fact on the display of the car. So for now let's turn it off and see the other features that it offers. So let's go. Here you have yeah, the volume, so rising up the volume and lowering down. Here we have this. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, here we are in the main display area. So radio, multimedia, telephone, the car or the vehicle, settings, and Android Auto. Android Auto we already did. Let's go to the settings. So here you can see, here we can set the sound, the loudness of the sound. Here we have the display, so brightness and the mode of the display. It can be selected that a display goes dark. So you have 3 modes of the display: automatic, day and night mode. Here we have the connected, let's say, devices, the possibilities, or let's say the Bluetooth option, and so on. The system, it's here, so language, time, factory settings, and so on. Okay guys, let's check some other features, some other nice features that this display provides. Let's go back. Here we have our vehicle, the settings of the vehicle. So the auto locking of the doors, in our case it is off, and some other stuff related to the drive. So the active braking system, and this is on. In case of the emergency, the car starts to brake immediately, and some other things. Let's check this eco driving. So here you have some elements of the eco drive, so acceleration, changing gears, and so on. So some pretty nice options are here available on this display. Otherwise, here you have your cell phone. You have also the possibility to use your phone while driving. So you have the speaker inside, and the phone is connected via Bluetooth, and here you have your contacts of your phone, contacts. Here you have more. Here is this night mode. In case you have let's say a long drive during the night, and you would like to have just the black screen and not to disturb you, you just press this one. Here you see the moon, yeah, and only the radio it's on, and you just drive and drive and drive. I think that this is a good feature. This was all, guys. This was the media display in Dacia Sandero Stepway 2022. I hope that for some of you this information will be useful, and please check my other videos about cars, about motorcycles, or anything related. I hope that you enjoyed. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.